In today's review, we'll be looking at Possible Finance, a credit building app designed to help people with low or no credit scores. The website's clean interface makes it easy to understand its main features. Upon signing up, you'll notice a simple process where you can link your bank account. The platform's main selling point is that it offers small loans, which are repaid in installments. This helps build your credit history without high interest rates or hidden fees. The repayment process is also straightforward. Payments are reported to major credit bureaus, which can positively impact your credit score over time. Possible Finance's loan amounts are fairly small, typically under $500, and the repayment terms are flexible. This makes it a great option for people who need a small boost in their credit score, but don't want to take on a large debt burden. What sets Possible Finance apart from other credit builder tools is its simple, user-friendly approach that focuses on small, manageable loans for building credit. The website also offers features such as tracking your credit score progress, which helps you stay motivated as you work towards your financial goals. A major plus is the lack of any surprise fees, and the app itself provides transparency when it comes to your financial standing. While the service is effective for many, it may not be ideal for those looking to build credit quickly, as the process can take time. However, for anyone wanting a steady, reliable path to improving their credit score, Possible Finance is definitely worth considering. If you've used the app, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like the video if you found this review helpful, and hit the subscribe button for more honest reviews of financial apps.